If you talk to the poor different than you would talk to a rich person, you're going to want to watch this video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. We introduce individuals to spirituality. It just snowed here in the Midwest first time, so hopefully you got a good view of that. Very beautiful outside, but this isn't about the beautiful view. It's about the beautiful people in the world. So one of the things that I wanted to talk about is this idea that people will talk to the poor different than they will talk to a rich person. So when you see a rich person, you immediately, stiffen your shoulders up, you start looking at them in a different light, you maybe start kind of treating them like, ooh, like what can I do to get that $1 million? What can I do to get something out of them? And it's very, you're trying to gain something out of it. On the poor, it's the exact opposite, where people are trying to stay away from them. They're trying to get the least amount of interaction with that person because they feel like they have nothing to offer just because they don't have a lot of money. I was in Dallas a few months ago visiting one of my friends. Shout out to him, wonderful dude. But I was getting Subway and there was a homeless person and I could tell he was hungry. So I was like, dude, you want a sandwich? I actually have a video on my channel talking about that too, about a month ago. But long story short, I had a great conversation with him. He was loving, he said thank you. He even said, was like, dude, I've never had a chicken bacon ranch sandwich before. That was the sandwich he ordered. I'm like, are you kidding me? And just like little things like that, like it honestly made me super excited that he was going to get that amount of money. And that was such a great, wonderful interaction. And for me, I'm at the point where, one of my goals is actually becoming Elon Musk's personal trainer. I think it would be super good for the world to have the busiest person in the world, the wealthiest person in the world, still make time for fitness. And I know I can help him do that and would love to be part of it. But I know my interactions with him are going to be probably about the same as that one I had with that homeless person in Dallas. And it's simply because you're coming from a level of consciousness of just unconditional love for whoever you meet. And no matter how much money they have or how little money they have, everyone can benefit from everyone's interaction. And it's not all about money. You can become wealthier in knowledge as well.